Hey YouTube, Calvin here for the Modern Michigan Prospector. Today we're going to do a product review. I got something in the mail yesterday. I went ahead and took it out of the package and kind of get some stuff around so that way it's a little easier for me with this one arm thing. We have the TOOLBOX SLUICE box from Backyard Prospector. This thing came really nicely packaged. I'm pretty excited about it, so let's get right into it and see what we can do here. Go ahead and pan you guys down a little bit so that way you can see what I'm doing here, and yeah, we'll see what we can do. So once you get it out of the box, it's a really sturdy toolbox, guys. Nice toolbox for sure. Probably take the beating that most of us probably give it. Inside, got a little shovel for your concentration stuff. Comes with a little bottle of surfactant. I went ahead and put my creek drop in this because I don't use jet dry. This is going to be your base for your sluice head. Comes with a little bilge pump and a little micro dream mat here. So, and then this is your power supply to the pump, and you can control the speed, which is really nice. Never know, you're gonna have to do that and control the speed. We got a little magnet in here. Really nice little magnet. Looks like we have a couple of really cool keychains. Little shovel. And a mini sluice. Little gold pieces on it. Really cool. Thank you to the Backyard Prospector. He sent us a 10 sack to test it out. So we're going to go ahead and test this out and see what we can do here. Setting this up is fairly easy. Just put your pump on the sluice head. Let's see what we can do here. And then you put this in here. It's got a spot just for the sluice head. It shows exactly which way it's supposed to go. And sits like that, like a little base. Don't mind me, I'm one-armed here. So that goes just like that. You got a little catch tray down there for your tailings. You take your little mat, put your mat in here. Oh, there we go. Messing up the flow here. Sorry guys. It's one arm thing, I tell you. You don't know how much you use the other arm until you can't use it. And then you start doing stuff like this and trying to do stuff and you just can't. So, but I can. See, that's the thing, is I can. It's just gonna take me a second. There. So now that we got that hooked up, we can take this and plug it into the power supply. Plug this in. And I'll run that back here to my plug back here by my buckets of stuff. I got some water over here. I probably should put that in there first, but I wanted to show you guys me unboxing this. So we'll go ahead and move this forward and we'll just take it out. I'll figure out how I can put some water in this thing for us. There we go. Got some water in there. Doesn't really have a fill line, so you'll have to just, well, put some water in there so it stops floating maybe. Here we go. Water in there. See if I have anything heavy. Well, it might stay. It might be okay. Bear with me, guys. I'm just doing the best I can for everybody and myself here. Get our pump in there. Well, get our pump in there. Slide this all the way up. Make sure my wires aren't in the way. There we go. There. That should break just fine. Slide it up just a little bit more. Yeah. So yeah, kind of sets up just like that. And then you can turn your pump on by using this switch down here. Make sure I got enough water in here. There we go. Then you can turn it all the way up, turn it all the way down. Pretty cool. I'm not going to have it all the way up. First, oh, I just unplugged it. Here we go. Here we go. Got a nice little flow in there. Make sure everything's going good. And yeah, let's go ahead and run some dirt. First we're gonna creek drop it here. Just add that right in there. A couple good squirts. Pretty neat. I like this. I like this. All right. Grab a little bowl over here. I'm not even going to classify this. I'm just going to go ahead and run it. I'm just going to run it, guys. We'll check it for magnetics and stuff, but we're just going to run it. I'm not going to worry about classifying and all that stuff. Just going to run it. Got some nice material in his pay dirt, some organics, and some decent little pieces of rock and stuff. So that's nice. Doesn't seem to have any magnetics, so that's cool. It's just 10 sack, so we'll see what we get here. We'll go ahead and use our handy dandy little gold shovel that he sent us. I'll come back here and let's run it. Oh yeah, works pretty good. we got that pan back. There's our gold, guys. Definitely a tenth of a gram. I don't have my scale down here right now, but it's definitely what the 10 sack should have had in it. So again, thank you to the Backyard Prospector. And let me get you guys pan back up here. I appreciate everybody, you know, hanging out and staying patient with me. Like I said, it will get better. Just like my arm's gonna get better, it's gonna get better. Got a lot of things planned, and we'll get this behind us, and we'll keep on panning and see how it all pans out. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, I can get in the creek this spring. Got about 6 months of PT coming, so I'll start that on Monday, and yeah. So I appreciate everybody watching. Go get you one of these awesome tools here. This toolbox, sluice box here is awesome, and it's definitely a great idea. Bring it just about anywhere. I mean, I could set this thing anywhere in my car, and you wouldn't even know it was there. So it's a great tool. And again, thank you to the Backyard Prospector. Go ahead and go check him out if you have not already, and get yourself one. Stay tuned. There's a lot more to come.